Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix IBM Cloud login issues, account and resource errors step by step clearly. To resolve IBM Cloud login issues, start by checking your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable connection to the internet. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Open your browser settings to find the option for clearing cache and cookies. After that, close and reopen your browser. Visit the IBM Cloud login page again. Double-check the username and password you are entering. Make sure the caps lock is off when entering your credentials. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. If you are using an identity provider, verify that the service is functioning correctly. Check if there are any ongoing service outages on the IBM Cloud status page. If you receive an account lockout message, wait for a few minutes before trying again. Ensure that your account is active and not suspended or cancelled. If you have multiple IBM Cloud accounts, confirm that you are logging into the correct one. Consider trying a different browser or device for login. If you continue to experience issues, reach out to IBM Cloud support for further assistance. Provide them with specific error messages to help troubleshoot effectively. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve common IBM Cloud login issues and regain access to your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.